How to make beef caldereta Filipino stew. Ingredients: 2 pounds beef chuck cut into cubes, 3 TBSP oil, 1 onion chopped for cloves, garlic, minced, 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 cup beef broth, or water, 1 small can liver spread, or to TBSP, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 green bell pepper sliced, 1 carrot sliced, to potatoes cubed, 1 TBSP soy sauce, to TBSP tomato paste, optional for extra richness, salt and pepper to taste, 1 to 2 chili peppers, optional for heat, grated cheese, optional. Steps: 1. Sear the beef in a hot pan with oil. Brown the beef cubes on all sides. Set aside. 2. Sauté aromatics. In the same pan, sauté garlic and onions until fragrant and soft. 3. Add tomato sauce and broth. Return beef to the pan. Pour in tomato sauce and beef broth. Simmer covered for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the beef is tender. For mix in liver spread and soy sauce. Add liver spread to thicken and enrich the sauce. Stir well. You can also add tomato paste here if using. 5. Add veggies. Toss in potatoes, carrots, and chili if you like it spicy. Cook until they're soft. 6. Final touch: add bell peppers last so they stay vibrant and slightly crisp. Season with salt, pepper, and top with grated cheese if desired. 7. Serve. Serve hot with steamed rice and maybe a side of smiles.